Yes, friends, we are just going to begin our training for Tally ERP9, how to create a ledger in Tally ERP9. So the moment we do that, before that, we have to do some settings. Just a moment. All right. So this is our Tally gateway in which we are going to create our ledger. So before we begin our ledger creation practice, I would like to make you familiar with certain features of the Tally. So here you can see the gateway of Tally. This is the gateway of Tally. This is the name of the company, professional trading company. The current period for which we are going to work in is 2018-19, 1/4/2018 to 31st March 2019. So this is 31st March 2019 is the current date. All right. You just see over here in the bold letters, there is masters, transactions, utilities, audit, reports, display. Before letting ourselves into creation of ledger, let us understand something. When we are going to create a ledger or a stock item or any particular setup related thing with respect to the payroll, for that sake, there are three masters in the Tally: accounts info, payroll info, and inventory info. Since we are going to create ledger, we are just going to concern ourselves only till accounts info. All right. If we have to make any entry for the purpose of purchase invoice, sales invoice, so we have to go into the vouchers. Any entry that has to be made in the system, that has to be made through vouchers. So the vouchers are categorized under transactions. So this is not the section which we are concerned with for this particular training. All right. Similarly, these are the reports, balance sheet, profit and loss account, and other things we are not concerned with. We are only going to stick ourselves in masters, and masters also accounts info. All right. See how to get over here. Right now I am using the keyboard. My mouse is lying idle over here. The best way to use the Tally is to use the keyboard. You can just see while I am scrolling down, B is red in balance sheet. The moment I go down with the arrow key, P is red. So similarly, there is one special character in each and every word displayed on gateway of Tally. All right. So similarly, when we go over here, here it is accounts info. What is the use of this particular feature? See, when I am here, I have to go again and again for here to there, and I have to just do those time consuming things in order to retrieve myself. So for that sake, what I will do, I will just press that special character from my keyboard. Since the special character over here is A, see, you can see that it is emboldened. It is capital as well as it is bold. It is in dark. So I can just press A from my keyboard and I can just come into the accounts info. All right. So this is a supplementary sheet in the gateway of Tally. When I selected accounts info under the masters, so this supplementary sheet is opening. There are various other things: groups, ledgers, cost categories, budgets, scenarios, currency, voucher types, statutory info. We are not going to concern ourselves with other things. Only and only we are going to stick ourselves for ledgers. All right. Before we go inside, let me come back to the gateway of Tally. The process of coming back or going back is pressing an escape key on keyboard. I am pressing the escape key. All right. Now we are back on the gateway of Tally. Okay. What is a ledger? I will go into the balance sheet. Instead of coming down like that way, if I was over here, I can just press the B over here. Okay, the balance sheet is open. Now I will do Alt F1. That is for the detailing of the groups and other information in the Tally. All right, I'm coming to sundry debtors. All right, there is nothing over here. I'll press an F12. Opening balance show karna hai, yes. Transaction show karna hai, yes. I'll press a Control A and look, there is a ledger which was quite during the accounting year. That was the reason that it was not showing any balance. But when we have gone in for the transaction display, it has started showing that yes, there was a transaction over here. So this is the ledger of Indian Air Force, in which the debit of 8 crore 44 lakh 80,000 and credit of 8 crore 44 lakh 80,000 was there and during the accounting year. The accounting year is 1819. Okay, let me press enter over here. All right, so this is the monthly statement. You can just see over here. And in May, there was a transaction. Okay, the transaction was sale of fifth generation aircraft, fifth generation aircraft, third generation aircraft, since they are sundry debtors. So Indian Air Force account debit to sales, Indian Air Force account debit to sales, sales, 15, 16, 17, 18, and the payment received respectively. So that was the precise reason that our opening balance was zero, because there was no outstanding at the beginning of the year. There was a total sale of this much amount, and this much was the amount realized during the year. That is the reason there is no closing balance. All right, so here the main point is that we are going to create the escape. I have pressed the escape key. Now again I am going to press the escape key. So the main concern is creation of the ledger of Indian Air Force. All right, so we will just come back by pressing the escape in balance sheet, and then again escape has been pressed. I am on the gateway of tally. Now I am going to show you how the ledger of Indian Air Force was created, and then I will show you how a ledger is created by creating some other ledger. So first I will display you how to create a ledger. Sorry, I am going to show you how Indian Air Force ledger was created. So instead of going by arrow key, I will just press A. Look, I am inside the supplementary sheet, and since I told you not other features, group, cross categories, budget, scenarios, I am going to skip all those things. We are just going to concern ourselves in this video with the creation of ledger. So over here I am going to press then enter. All right, so there are two categories, single ledger and multi ledgers. Multiple ledgers creation, display, alteration, credit limits, these all things are same: create, display, alter, but with a slight change in their usage. But their utilities are going to be discussed in a separate video. We are not going to concern ourselves with the multiple ledgers, and credit limit is something which we are not going to discuss right now. Our main concern is to create, display, and alter the single ledger. How to deal with the single ledger in Tally ERP9. So before that, we will go to first thing is display. Since Indian Air Force ledger is already created, I am going to display you that. All right, I am going to press enter over here, or I could have directly pressed D over here. Okay, I'm pressing enter. Now I'm going to see there is a list of ledger, and there is a type bar over here, search bar over here. I'm going to press from keyboard I. Look, all the I related are in blue ink. Then N. Okay, Indian Air Force is the first one. Now after coming over here, I'm just going to press the down arrow key on keyboard. I'm straightforward over here. Now after coming over here, I'm going to press enter. All right. So this is, we are in ledger display. Look over here, it is given the option which we have selected in the supplementary sheet was display. And after that, from list of ledger, we have selected Indian Air Force ledger. Now this is display. We cannot do any alteration. Whatever things we want to see from here, we can just see over here. All right. You can just see the name of the ledger. It is under means under group. Group is the accounting group. What is accounting group? That would be discussed. That would be explained in a separate video on accounts group. But right now you have to understand that this is the accounting group. Here is the option maintain bill by bill. We are going to keep it yes. Now what is the utility of maintaining bill by bill? This is having a financial implication, especially in the case of the sundry debtors and sundry creditors. So if there is any particular ledger which is falling under the category of sundry debtors and sundry creditors, you just keep into the mind, we have to keep this option yes. The utility of this option is going to be discussed separately in financial management topics. All right. Rest of the options has to be no. Now here is the name, this is the mailing detail, and this is the address, and here is the state, and here is the pin code, and over here the contact details can be filled: contact person, phone number, mobile number, fax number, email, CC, website. Bank details can be filled. Multiple mailing details are there. We can fill these all things over here. PAN number, IT number, and the type of registration so far as the GST is concerned, and the GST number. Then enter. We can just save the particular ledger. All right. So since this is display, we cannot alter anything. So right now I'm going to press escape from here. This is just to give an overview of explaining you how a ledger looks like. All right. I'm pressing an escape key. Okay. Again, we are into the one step back in the list of ledger. Again, I'm going to press escape. All right. So we are into supplementary sheet from Gateway of Tally into accounts info. And in accounts info also, we have selecting ledgers. Gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledger. We have seen this option display. Now we are going to see alter. Okay. So alter, I'm just going to do the same process. Indian Air Force, drop down key from the keyboard, enter. All right, see, now cursor is over here. Before that, ledger alteration. So this is the option of ledger alteration. Now we can alter over here. I can make it American Air Force. I can change the name of the ledger. I'm not going to change it since it's already done. All right, see, this is under group, which I told you already. This is the list of the group. There are certain predefined set of the accounting group which are already created in the Tally as per, I guess, Companies Act, Schedule 6. The final accounts groups are there. So these are all predefined groups: indirect expense, indirect incomes, investments, loans and advances. You can see over here pharmacy is also there. Since I have worked in this company, these are the groups which I have created under these all accounting groups. So we are not going to go into deep into the accounting group right now. Over here we are going to select sundry debtors, since this is sundry debtor. Okay, now what is the use of alteration? Say Indian Air Force was our debtor, but in case if we feel like that Indian Air Force is not our debtor, I have by mistakenly selected sundry debtors, so I need to change them to sundry creditors. So from here I can make them sundry creditors. All right, so instead we are going to give it sundry debtors because it is sundry creditors under current liabilities. So we are going to just keep it sundry debtors because we have already worked in this company. This will change our setting. This is just to show you. All right, sundry debtors. Now maintain bill by bill, yes. All the options we are not going to disturb. All right, enter. Now here is the name, Indian Air Force. The address, the name of the building of the Indian Air Force is Disha. This is the address in New Delhi. This is the Delhi. This is the pin code. The contact person, whoever the concerned person is there, marshal, vice marshal, colonel, or whatever the rank of Air Force is, their phone number, mobile number, fax number, email, CC. Email is an option which we are going to discuss in a separate, how to deal with the email feature. So I'm just pressing the enter and I'm going ahead. CC, website. If there is a website, we can put over here. Okay, bank details. There are no bank details. We are not going to touch this option. We are going to deal with this when financial management is being taught to you. All right, enter. Okay, now the PAN number is here. So if we are having a PAN number, we are going to put over here. Now, after coming over here, these are the 4 types of option. Either a particular assessee is having a composition scheme under GST, either he is directly a consumer, either he is a regular dealer, either he is unregistered dealer. We are going to keep it regular for the sake of simplicity. Over here, we just put our GST number. Now we are going to see there is a notification, GST UIN not specified. We can just press enter and go ahead with this option. But basically we have to put for sundry debtors. Otherwise we have to select something other than regular. Just for the sake of simplicity, I'm not pressing anything over here right now. All right, so enter, no. Now this one, opening balance. We are not putting anything. There was nothing recoverable from them at the beginning of the year. And after coming over here, pressing over enter over here, I can either press Y on the keyboard or I can press simply enter. All right. So now I am again back in the list of ledger. I'm going to press escape. With this first escape, my search bar is being empty. Now again, if I'm going to press an escape, one step back, I can come back. You can just see in the blur side, there is a window which was in the backdrop. All right. So now over here. So these 2 options are covered. What is display and what is alter? Now this is new ledger, how we have to create. I have shown you how a created ledger is there in display, how to alter already created ledger. Now I am going to teach you how to create a ledger. All right, this is an enter. Let's keep the name of the company DEF. Before that, just see ledger creation. So these are the 3 options. Ledger creation is here. Now the name we have given DEF. This is the alias. If you want to give an alternate name, जैसे घर में बच्चों के नाम रखते हैं, like say Indian Air Force, we can keep it IAF. So instead of already typing in list of ledger, uh, INDIAN and then space and then Air Force, we can just go for IAF. Then they can give us a small identification. That is the abbreviation. Jo it helps person to identify very fast with a particular ledger. All right, enter. Now, since it was by default Sunday debtors, we are not going to change this. But if we want to change this, we can just go over here and we can just change it. All right, so I'm going to press S over here as Sunday debtors. All right, so I can just press an enter over here. Now the currency ledger is Indian rupees. Maintain bill by bill option, which I told you, yes. Enter. Now we can just keep the, say, just a moment, RNT Marg Indore. It's in Madhya Pradesh. If it is in another state, we can select the state from here. So the PIN code, the name of contact person, phone number, these are the personal details which you can fill out. All right, the PAN number and the GST number which are available to you, you can just feed it over here. Enter. All right, it is again specifying us, enter. Set alter GST details, no. And now the opening balance, let us keep it 0. If we just put up 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, or whatever the amount over here, it is going to show opening balance as on 1/4/2018. All right, see, it is being mentioned over here. All right, so I'm just going to press an enter. There's a notification box in the corner, and instead of pressing yes, I'm pressing enter. All right, so now I'm going to escape from here. Escape, yes, escape. Again, I'm going to go in display and look over here. I'm going to press D, E. All right, so D, E, F. This is an enter. So this is the ledger which we have tried to create. This is how we have created our ledger. All right, escape. Now we are back to the gateway of Tally, and this is how we create ledger and Tally ERP 9. Thank you.